video that I haven't done in a long time, and that is an art journal video. So if you don't know already, I actually have kind of a mini series on my YouTube channel of art journal videos. I used to make these quite a bit, but I haven't made one in a long time. So I thought it was about time to do a new spread in my art journal and film it for you guys. So that's exactly what I'm doing. So for this spread, I first went on to Pinterest and Tumblr and picked out some pictures and printed them out, and that was kind of the beginning of my theme for this little collage. And then the first thing that I wrote on this page was actually my horoscope for this day. So I recently downloaded this app called CoStar, and it's this astrology app. It gives you horoscopes, and I find that they're super accurate. I'm not typically one to read horoscopes or really believe them, but this app is just always spot on. So I decided to just jot down the horoscope for that day that I was making this spread, and then I just started playing around with the photos and arranging them and figuring out where I wanted to take this collage. I used, of course, paper scraps and washi tape to layer with them. You guys know my usual crafting supplies, and I just started gluing them onto the page. This is a super easy activity, and I know it's not necessarily very artistic. There's not a ton of creativity involved because you're really just gluing down photos onto a paper, but it's so relaxing. This is my favorite thing to do whenever I'm stressed out or just want to take a break and do something kind of creative, but that doesn't take a lot of mental energy, you know? So I definitely recommend you try this out if you have never done art journaling or collaging or things like this. It's just a really nice way to spend an afternoon when you have some free time. So right here, I'm writing a little playlist of some of my favorite songs at the moment. You guys probably know I love making little playlists everywhere in my bullet journal and my art journal. I just like documenting the songs that I'm listening to because music is such a big part of my life. And then I continued to just layer the photos and scraps of paper and fill in the spaces with washi tape and things like that. So again, it's so simple to create these art journal spreads, but it's so fun and it's so satisfying at the end to see this collage. I love it, and I love flipping through this notebook and seeing all the collages that I've made in the past. I really like it. So I finished this little spread off by adding some silver stars, of course, and I filled in some of the empty spaces with some more washi tape. I really like this white washi tape with gold star or gold dots because it doesn't take up a ton of visual space because it is white, but it adds a little bit of texture there. So I really like that. But that's all I did for this spread, and I love the colors, I love the photos and everything in this. It's my favorite things that are inspiring me right now. So I hope that you enjoyed this, and I hope that you have fun making your own art journal spread. I'll see you again soon. Bye everyone.